Hi folks, thanks for following us, and please like, subscribe and share.
Let's go explore mine.
Let's go. Hey folks, where is he?
Hey.
There he is. We have someone else with us too. There's Lois. So we have an amazing explore this evening. As you can see, we've got ropes. We're climbing down a deep shaft.
Yep.
Revisiting mine. Got to try and find it.
Yeah, I think it's
overgrown.
Trying to find the path. It's kind of somewhere around here.
So it has an amazing stone arch tunnel in here. Very long one. But the best bit about it is this flooded winds. We can see ladders and pumps and stuff going down it. So
no one's ever sent any ROV down there before, so whatever we're going to find tonight is going to be hot off the press.
Yes, and it's down here, look.
There it is.
Off we go.
We've got the ROV with us.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That was a hell of a climb. Are you looking forward to this, Lois?
Out of breath, but yeah.
Yes.
We've climbed all the way up, we've got to go all the way back down again.
Yeah, down a steep hill now through the woods.
Yep.
Blimey, this is steep.
Trying to keep my footing, my legs are already worn out after firing on the railway all day.
Oh yeah, you've been on the steam railway all day, haven't you?
So I've been shoveling coal all day, my legs are a little bit wobbly.
No wonder you look exhausted. And now we're going to do some climbing.
Yeah, well, you know, life would be rather dull if I didn't, you know.
And it gets steeper, look. Oh, we got to come back up this way.
Yeah, we do, don't we? Yeah. The shaft is somewhere
there.
down here.
So, I can't wait to get in this mine.
No.
Are you excited?
We haven't been here for a long time.
No.
So it'll be nice to go back and...
Well, it's to see that flooded winds more than anything.
Yeah, absolutely. As you said earlier, we've got pumps, rising main going down there, remains of the pumping machinery at the top. There's a ladderway, there's a manway going down there, and no one knows what's at the bottom.
How many levels do you know of on record?
There's at least 2 levels down there, a 12 and a 24 fathom.
Wow.
So we've got at least 2 levels to play with. Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's cross our fingers for some wagons, shall we?
Yes. Super excited.
Very.
Oh. Let's go. There it is, folks.
We have found the mine.
That's the level. Oh, well, that's the air shaft, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
See if we can pick it up on the camera. There you go, we're going down there. So, we'll see you down there.
Yeah, let's get kitted up.
Let's get the gear on. Johan is setting up the ropes.
Yes. No pressure.
No. We're going to belay up this tree.
This on the tree.
Yep.
And do a figure of 8 knot, which is favourite
Yes.
of the
Very good knot.
mining fraternity.
I'm super excited about this.
Good. I'm excited to see what's down that winds, I must admit. There's one, and then belay the other end.
We're going to belay two ropes here. So we abseil side by side. Well, me and Lois will. Or Johan and Lois will. Just to help her down a bit, as she's a bit new to the climbing world.
Incredible how ropes manage to tangle themselves of their own accord.
Like spaghetti. So there goes Lois and Johan. Johan's giving us some abseiling lessons. Doing a grand job there.
And then if you want, you can just stop, let go of everything.
Look at that.
There you go. Put your trust in the rope.
Okay. I'm still moving.
See you down there, folks.
See you in a minute.
Try not to whack my head as well.
Oh yeah.
Gets a bit low here.
Remember, there's the overhang.
Yeah, there's a massive cliff.
All right.
Glass times 3.
So we're in for a hell of an adventure down
That's
here.
what I like to do to boost my confidence, is to just hang there and just get used to the feeling, you know? Yeah. So that you get happy. There he is. Al's almost down.
Over the edge now.
Yep. Living life on the edge. There he goes.
That was fun. Nice and cool down here.
Yeah.
Swelling outside.
Very humid up top today. There we go. So there's the abseil done. We're now going to scramble down there. We're not at the. We're aiming for the bottom level of the mine. We haven't gotten there yet. We need to go down that way, and there should be some ladders there with a bit of luck that we can use on the way.
So there he goes. Hey, Jon, they looks like they tried to drive a level across there, look.
Yeah, so we're
Can you
on
see
the,
that?
You can see we're kind of on the load. We're going down the footwall of the load here.
Yeah.
You can see it exposed in the end. So as you say, they've kind of gone along it a short way there to see if there was anything good, which there wasn't. So we're going to be following the load all the way down in this shaft until we get to the level at the bottom. So it's a little bit useless up here. I can't see much in it. It's mainly just sort of clay and a little bit of breccia and not much good, not much ore. But we'll see if it improves in depth.
Let's go and check it out. Here comes Lois.
That's slippy.
It's very slippy there. Oh, causing the land
Down
something.
below.
Yeah. So down here we go.
I think I found the way down. Down here.
A long way down as well.
Very, very thrilling. Have a look at this. That's the way.
Look at that.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting.
So cool. Are you going down
Backwards, I think.
backwards is the way to go?
I reckon.
Okay.
Actually, maybe a bit of both.
So give it a go then. Not kicking any rocks on you and move these ones out the way.
Torches are talking.
Yes. I got the ROV on my back, makes it a bit awkward.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Makes it a bit more awkward.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's an old beer bottle.
Yeah.
Broken part.
Yeah.
There it is.
How old do you reckon?
It's Victorian.
Oh,
There's a clay pot as well. Oh, I'm stuck. There's a clay pot too. That's something. Oh, there, look.
I guess the stuff must have been thrown down the shaft.
I would have thought so. And there's old footpaths near it.
Yeah. So they're using it as a rubbish dump.
Oh, look at this. Some sort of can or... This wall on my right is a bit loose.
Yeah. I can see ways down into the depth from here.
Yeah, pass you the camera, Jon, can you?
Yeah.
step behind you.
Don't touch this, it's loose.
Right, okay.
Al is stuck.
I got stuck.
There we go, down there. So we're going down nearly vertical now. Straight down. Yeah. Very tricky with an ROV on one's back.
It's a bit tricky.
So we're still following the load. Very minor mineralisation in this wall here. Small amount of quartz and breccia in there. So this shaft is following the load straight down and providing air for the level at the bottom, which is our goal. Cool, it just carries on, doesn't it? Sorry about the shadow of the GoPro in there. It's my head torch is about 3 feet away.
Don't lean on it either.
Everything okay?
Yeah. Going up to these here.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I'm on something. Getting dizzy. Ah, right. That looks like the bottom. Yeah, that looks like the bottom just there. It's actually easier to go down facing forwards. Well, hey, and we have a level. That's what we want to see. Right, I'm gonna have a break and wait for the others to catch up. Whew.
Come straight down the ladder. You're about a foot apart steps.
The level that we're in here was driven during the early 19th century to intersect this lode that we're on now, as well as a main lode which is further to the south. And we have yet to find how extensive the workings are. However, an engine shaft was sunk on the lode from this adit, from this level down further, and all this is now flooded, and that's why we've got the ROV with us. This is the lowest accessible level that is not entirely flooded. So we're going to explore what we can at this level and then let the ROV do the rest for us. And as we said earlier, no one, as far as we know, has ever driven a submersible down to the deeper workings of this mine. So it should be quite exciting whatever we find, because it's going to be,
you're right,
for want of a better phrase, hot off the press. Let's get out of Al's way. Hello.
The abseil was easier.
I reckon.
Yes. Wow. Lois is nearly here as well.
Awesome.
Can't wait for this ROV.
It's going to be amazing.
Oh yeah. I can see a pair of feet.
Are they attached to anyone?
Yeah. Here she is.
Hello.
So you've just descended about 150 feet underground. How about that?
Yeah.
And now we're going to go and see the amazing tunnel and then the ROV.
Nice.
Let's go. Cool down a bit now in this.
Yeah. So this is called the deep level. As I said earlier, it's the lowest accessible level that isn't flooded at this mine. There's about 10 levels above us, and at least 2 below. But hopefully the ROV will tell us for sure how many levels there are below in due course. But we're about 150 feet below the mountain now, and heading further in.